Hi guys, welcome back to Books with Brie. Today I have a whole new book that I would love to show you. I found it on Amazon if I'm not mistaken, and it was part of a collection from another author, and I definitely had to share it with you guys. So it's called The Colors of Unity. It's all about diversity and the fact that there are so many people that are different from us, whether it's culturally, we look different, we have different languages, and so I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's dive in. Look at the beautiful colors. Everyone is dressed differently because they all like to wear something different, right? Some people like to wear jeans, sweatpants, a dress, a skirt, right? In our world, there are so many beautiful colors. They swirl around our uniqueness and inner beauty. So beautiful. Amidst the array of hues, there's a bully at my school. Oh no, I don't like bullies. They lack color and are very cruel. Oh no. These are the bullies over here on this page. Oh no. They use cruel words that should not be repeated. It's inhumane and not how others should be treated. Remember, you treat people the way you want to be treated. The bully mocks those who let their colors show. Most afraid of the brightest colors that glow. Oh, it sounds like he a little jelly. But instead of admiring and appreciating people's things, he makes fun of them. That's not nice. I don't like that. Their words make others feel ashamed and small, trying to dim the colors and light within us all. That's like saying like, oh, you like blue? I don't like blue. Blue is a weird color. I'm like, no, you may not like blue, but I like blue. And it's okay because we can all like different things. I don't like this bully. Look at everyone else. Everyone else is having a good time. They all like to play different things. One is on the slide. There's a few people playing jump rope. Some are playing, I think they're playing like tag, you know, or cat. Oh, this one, they're over here. They're playing catch over here. You know, everyone likes to do something different. You don't have to make fun of them though. Color bullies don't understand the power of diversity. Different colors are what makes our world extraordinary. Oh, I love that attitude, because we're all different. We are all unique in our own way. What do you think he should do if he's being bullied? He should tell the teacher or an adult, right? Let's see if he does it. When I fall on the playground, they point and laugh. Are you hurt? Why are you crying? The teacher asks. Look at him, he's got tears coming down his face. She listens while I tell her about the bully. I don't understand their cruelty. Oh, poor thing. Let's see if the teacher's gonna do something about it. The teacher assures me this will be handled. Okay, good. I like this teacher. Students should never be treated like this. It's not our standard. Good. She's gonna make sure that they learn to treat each other with respect. I like it. Later, the school announces a multicultural day. All cultures, diversities, and hues will be on display. Wow, that means that they get to learn each other's culture. Awesome. Students are asked to stand on stage and speak. The bully sits in the crowd, laughs, mocks, and critiques. Oh no! Look at him going, ha 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 ha. I don't like that. Perhaps we can chip away at the bully's shield. Maybe even help them find colors they've concealed. Ooh, maybe there's something within them, and that's why they're bullying the other people. That's an interesting way to think about it. It can be challenging to face such negativity. Very true. It's kind of hard. But we must stand tall and let our colors shine, what is that word? Brilliantly. Ooh, they're not gonna stop anyone from letting them show their shine and their colors. This is an awesome, the dragon. Ooh, so this has to be from the Asian culture. That's beautiful. I read that wrong. I won't let their words bring me down. I like that. I'll stand tall and wear my colors like a crown. That's beautiful. He's gonna be proud of who he is and where his ancestors come from and his culture. That's beautiful. For every insult and hurtful word they say, I'll respond with kindness, spreading love along the way. I like that. I know deep down they're just fearful and afraid, scared of the colors they themselves have betrayed. So let's come together, hand in hand. Let's show them that unity and love will always stand. No matter the shade or hue we may possess, we'll embrace each other, celebrate, and progress. Oh, beautiful. After the multicultural performance, the crowd cheers. To my shocked surprise, the bully is brought to tears. Wow! Maybe they had changed something in his heart to make him think differently. I like that. For in a world filled with colors so bright, we all shine together, spreading love and light. Look at everyone, how everyone is so different. They all have different things. Some are tall, some are short, some wear glasses. You have a kid in a wheelchair. Oh, this one is doing a handstand. They're all different. They have different color hair, different styles, and yet we all work together and are respectful of one another. The end. Oh, I love this book. You guys definitely, I loved it. I definitely love this book. I hope you guys liked it too. It just shows that everyone is different, and yet we can all be together and we can all do things together, treating each other with respect and kindness. So I hope you liked this story. I will see you guys next time. And remember, you are important and your feelings matter. Bye.